Alright, so one of my subscribers wanted me to do a bike check. So this is a 2021 Marin Alcatraz. It is the 2021 frame, not the 2022. So if you want to pick that up, you have to build the bike yourself. I will put links in the description to the components that I want to upgrade this bike with. But basically everything that came stock is on the bike right now, except for the tires. I changed the back out for, I think it's the Recon, I'm not sure. But the front one is the Race King. And yeah, again, I'll put links in the description for everything that I have.